All right, so problem 65, we're taking a look at a couple of problems with exponents and same bases. Before I look at this, I want you to think of a different problem I'm going to make up here. So if I took x squared times y to the third times x to the fifth, I could simplify that because I have the same base. So I add their exponents, and I would get x to the seventh, y to the third. Now we're going to do something very similar to that here. So when you look at this first problem, you have a 3, it's 3 to the first, times 7 times 3 to the n minus 1. The sets of parentheses here don't really matter because 3 is being multiplied that set of parentheses, and there's only multiplication inside the parentheses as well. If this was a addition symbol, not a multiplication, it'd be different. So now, what I'm going to be able to do is take the two same bases, the 3 and the 3, and just like we did down here, add their exponents together. So if I take 3 to the first plus n minus 1, so I add those exponents, times 7, this all just becomes 3 to the n times 7. Normally we would write this then as 7 times 3 to the n because it's more of an exponential. So either one of these works. So problem B, we're going to do very similarly. I have a 0.6, that is a 0.6 to the first, times 10 times 0.6 to the n minus 2. So I'm going to add my same bases, add their exponents, so I get 6 to the 1 plus n minus 2 times 10. So when I simplify that, 1 plus n minus 2, I'm going to get 6 to the n minus 1 times 10, or just like in the last problem, switch around the order to be 10 times 6 to the n minus 1. These are, those are 0.6, not 6, 0.6. These are good problems right here, both of these for the next lesson that we're going to be going into. So I hope that helps.